This is Annette at PurplePaisleyPlanner.com, and I'm doing a review on the Clever Fox cash envelope. And this is something I purchased myself, and I just received it today. So let me open it up. And this is really nice. It came like this. So it came with in a pouch. And then it came in another cute pouch, which you could put in your purse and everything. And it's really nice. It's really nice. Well, so let me unzip it. And it's nice inside. Like that. Really nice. And it comes with your year-end review. So it comes with your yearly per month. So you got 12 months, and you got the categories right there. And it gives you the instructions on how to use it. So you have that. And then it comes with a warranty card. So it's a warranty card good for 60 days. No hassle refund, so no hassle refund, which I think that's really nice. Then, let me pull this out. Let me take it out the package. So it comes with each where you could put it in the envelope, what you're paying for, and everything, and you get 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get one that is a budget sheet, and you get date, description, amount, and balance. And it's the same on the reverse side. So you get 12 of those. Okay, then you get your envelopes, and it comes in a variety of colors and designs. I chose this one. So this is really nice. Look, it says stay organized, stay clever. And this is waterproof and tear-proof, so you don't have no way of tearing it, and it's waterproof and tear-proof. Stay organized, and you can put the category, and then it's got the month, the budget, and the actual. Isn't that nice? And you get a variety of colors. Let me show you. So this one looks like it's more like the baby blue, and then you got a purple. This looks like orange. This looks like it's more of a mint green, kind of a light green. You have pink, which is nice. This looks like it's more like a green, but like a tealish green kind of. This looks like it's red. Yeah, this is red. And then you got, it looks like navy blue or denim blue, a dark denim. And then you got a lavender. You got an evergreen. You got a maroon, kind of a maroonish, purplish color. And then you got a navy blue. And this will be a great companion with that budget Clever Fox budget journal, the budget planner that I did on Monday. This will be a great companion to that. And what's so nice about this is, with this, you could put what you're paying, and then you could keep track of it, and you'll put it in here with your cash. You'll put it in here with your cash, and you'll keep track of it every month for 12 months in your envelope. So this could say mortgage. You could put here that you paid your mortgage, the month you paid it on, and you keep track of it for the whole year. And then when you're done with all that and you put all this in your envelope, and then you got this to look at the year, when you're done you put this back in here so you can keep everything together like that, and you stick it in your purse. So I think this is really, really nice. And I'll have the link where you could get this, where I purchased this at. It'll be in the description below. And if you look up at the right corner, you'll see my previous video of the Clever Fox planner. So yes, please check them out. They're a great company. They have great products. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to press subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for watching. This is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. Stay positive and thank you. Bye-bye.